Welcome to The Inner Workings, where we'll unravel the mysteries of how the Internet functions. Imagine a vast, invisible web connecting billions of devices worldwide. That's our Internet. At its core, the Internet is a massive network of interconnected computers spanning the globe. Computers, servers, and routers form the backbone of the Internet, like cities and highways in our digital landscape. Software protocols like TCP/IP act as universal translators, allowing devices to communicate seamlessly. Your data is broken down into smaller packets like parcels in a global delivery system. These data packets embark on an incredible journey, zipping through routers and networks at lightning speed. Once the packets reach their destination, they're reassembled like a complex puzzle, recreating the original content. The Internet and the World Wide Web aren't the same. The web is just one part of the Internet. DNS and IP addresses are like the Internet's phone book and street addresses, guiding data to its destination. The Internet isn't just one big network, it's a network of networks, from your home Wi-Fi to massive undersea cables. Data centers and servers work tirelessly to store and serve up the content we access every day. Marvel at the complexity behind every click and download. The Internet truly is a modern wonder.